Hello, my name is Levi Marasco. I'm the IT Director at Trionics Industries, and today I'll be walking you through our code for the 2017 Best Robotics Competition, Crossfire. Let's start off with the section of the model which controls the functions of the crossbow. This is the simplest part of the code. When button 8U is pressed, the motor for the crossbow will receive full power due to the gain block raising the button's output. The motor then outputs into a display block where we can see the value of the power that the motor is outputting. The next section of the code we're going to look at is for the driving of the robot. We have multiple inputs from the controller going into a single function block where the specifications of the driving for the robot can be found. If we take a look in the function block, we can see that the 4 buttons of the directional pad inputting into the function block override the joystick inputs that are used for driving. Given this code, the D-pad is a way to drive at maximum power without error. This section of the function ignores all erroneous small values of the joystick since they have a tendency to not always center perfectly. If button 5D is pressed, the robot drives with a 20% decrease in power. If the button is not pressed, the robot will drive with it at its maximum power. We chose to put this in our code so that the robot will not drop the chemical drums when driving due to changing speeds too quickly. The function block then outputs into the drive motors, displays of the outputs of which are shown here. Next, let's look at the code for the gurney of the robot. The grips are used to hold the mannequin onto the gurney until it is ready to be placed into the starting box. The latch block makes it so that the button, 6 up, switches the grips on and off. The servo motor output displays the value of the rotation of the servos. The final part of our code is what controls the tower motor. This motor is used to aim the crossbow vertically. Both the joystick and a micro switch are inputs of this function block. The switch is used as a limit switch, where, when pressed, the motor is overridden to lower the arm. This is to prevent the users from raising the crossbow too high and damaging the tower. As with driving, there is a function that requires the joystick to be pushed past a certain point for the motor to receive power. Using consistent and logical design practices, such as commenting, naming conventions, and use of simulations, Trionics Industries quickly produces original, error-free code to control your future robots efficiently. Thank you for watching.